That is a cold pigeon. Wow. Yeah, so much snow on him that it disguises his natural camouflage. Neither rain nor snow indeed, huh?
City sleeps under blankets white. Chicago wind howls a lonely night. Empty branches, a frozen frame. A silent world whispering a gift. New age wings on a new wave breeze, dancing with snowflakes among the
This is what this festival looks like from the inside. I'm talking to the camera, honey, about our movie convention out here. Isn't this great, sweetie? So many of our thank you.
A symphony of stories
So
to
many
be
of our
told.
feathered friends.
At the feeder's edge, they gather near,
Finchies and sparrows.
sharing the warmth
I can
and
see the
banishing all
pigeons.
fears. From glass and steel, a glimpse of green, of promise whispered of what might have been.
Take it easy,
The
buddy.
city wakes, a muffled sound, while feathered friends are safely bound.
I saw somebody pushing a bicycle down the sidewalk a few days ago, honey.